Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Aussie dollar, I still think this looks like a big WXY pattern, and most likely this most recent setting is an ABC of wave Y, because a wave Y should have an ABC, and the wave A and the wave C should be a trend on shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, depending how this week closes, we may have the end of a crescent right here. It looks like impulsive up like a wave one. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down like a wave two. Like I said, depending on how this weekly candle closes, this could be the end of a crescent right here, and it could be making its way up for a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five, which would be a wave C of wave Y most likely. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's definitely very, very impulsive. I don't really like the fact that it made three waves down right here, but yeah, this actually could be part of a wave A. This could be an A, B, C, D, E, and this could be the downtrend for the wave C. Either way, we definitely got a big Fibonacci bounce we definitely got a big bounce at a Fibonacci level. I've been expecting for a long time for this to be a 1 and a 2. Kind of almost looks like the wave 2 is over, so we are definitely going to want to go long and learn whether it does this or learn whether it does this and then goes back down. Either way, I would definitely be looking for longs after that big impulsive move up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this looks like an uptrend, and this still doesn't even look like the trend is over. I think this is either a wave A or a wave 1. Then it should make a correction to the uptrend, which would either be a wave B or a wave 2. Then I would try to go long, and I would hopefully learn and earn whether it did this. And if it does that, I would get out of my longs and go short because that would tell me it's going back down. Or hopefully I would be learning and earning at the same time that it just keeps on going up, which in that case would be a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. And that would pretty much confirm the continuation of the uptrend on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, I still don't even think that this trend is over. This may just be a crescent to this last push down. It could be just a little three-way pattern, and it might just go back up. I think it needs to make that 3, 4, 5 shape just to end off this last section of trend. Most likely it's a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5 of either A or wave 1. Like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, it's probably will after that go down, break structure, make a crescent to the whole move up, which would be either a wave B or a wave 2, and would probably go someplace between 38 and 78% of this whole move up right here. So, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.